Today, we're delving into the lesser-known side effects of skipping breakfast, a morning ritual that many of us might reconsider after learning these intriguing facts. If you find this information eye-opening, don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more health insights, and let's explore the hidden consequences of bypassing breakfast together. 10 side effects of skipping breakfast. Sluggish metabolism. Skipping breakfast can lead to a slower metabolism, affecting your body's ability to efficiently burn calories throughout the day. Impaired concentration. The brain requires energy to function optimally. Skipping breakfast may result in impaired concentration and reduced cognitive performance. Heightened cravings. Depriving your body of morning nourishment can lead to increased cravings for sugary and high-calorie foods later in the day. Energy dips and fatigue. Skipping breakfast deprives your body of essential fuel, contributing to mid-morning energy dips and overall fatigue. Nutrient deficiency. Fact: breakfast is an opportunity to kickstart your daily nutrient intake. Skipping it may lead to deficiencies in essential vitamins and minerals. Mood swings and irritability. Breakfast plays a role in regulating serotonin levels, impacting mood. Skipping it may contribute to mood swings and irritability. Digestive discomfort. Delaying the first meal can disrupt the digestive process, potentially leading to bloating, discomfort, and irregular bowel movements. Increased stress hormones. Skipping breakfast can elevate cortisol levels, the body's stress hormone, potentially contributing to heightened stress throughout the day. Impact on heart health. Some studies suggest a link between regularly skipping breakfast and an increased risk of heart disease and other cardiovascular issues. Weight management challenges. Weight management challenges. Contrary to the belief that skipping meals aids weight loss, it can lead to overeating later in the day, potentially hindering weight management efforts. Understanding the multifaceted impact of skipping breakfast is vital for making informed choices about your morning routine. If you found these facts enlightening, hit like, subscribe for more health revelations, and let's prioritize our morning nourishment for a healthier and happier lifestyle.